equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Start by gathering your tools, a screwdriver set, thermal paste, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, power off the laptop and remove the battery. Unscrew the back panel using the appropriate screwdriver. Keep track of the screws. They can be small and easy to lose. Once the panel is off, visually inspect the motherboard for any obvious damage or burnt components. If you see any debris, gently clean it with the cloth. Next, check the connections and reseat any loose cables. Apply thermal paste to the CPU if needed. Reassemble the laptop by reversing the steps. Remember, you can get a professional diagnosis without obligation. If you're unsure, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service. No calls, no travel, just convenience. Before any repair, we provide a quote so you know the costs upfront. Once reassembled, power on the laptop to test functionality. If it works, great. If not, further inspection may be required. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.